Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyana Muhammad. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hossain, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet, Bangladesh. Welcome to MKA Classroom. Now, let us start today's tutorial. Now, today we will start from online banking. Today we will start from online banking. One line. Just you remember that one line banking, that means one line. We see which line each one, that is the one line. Which line is one, one plus line, line, one line. That's mean this one means live, 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 which is live, that means running. One line banking means live banking, 24 hours a day, which is going one line, or live line, live line. That is simply we mean the one line banking. In the back day, anybody who need to deposit money into their bank account had to physically walk into their bank branch to perform that transaction. That means you have to go to your bank branch and perform your banking activities. But nowadays, that's a very easy for us. You need to deposit a check. All you have to do is wipe out your smartphone camera, take a picture of your check with your bank's smartphone app, and you are good to go. Your bank will then notify you when it's safe to share the check. Your bank no longer needs to have a physical copy of your check. A photo works just as well. That is the one example of one line banking. You are trying to deposit your check on your bank, just use your smartphone app, which is provided by your bank app. Take a picture of your check, and bank will notify you your check is deposited on your bank account. So very easy for us, and make our life is so easy. In the same way, you can do your bank's website include pay bills, check balances, transfer funds, open new accounts, update your address, download a statement, apply for demand drafts. All can you do this by your one line banking service. So, advantage of online banking: convenience is a major advantage of one line banking. Convenience. Basic banking transactions such as paying bills, transfer funds between accounts can easily be done 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week, whenever or whatever, whenever customers wishes. One line banking is fast and efficient. One line banking is fast and efficient. Another benefit: funds can be transferred between accounts almost instantly, especially if the two accounts are held at the same institutions. Consumers can open and close a number of different accounts online, from fixed deposit to recurring deposit accounts that typically offer higher rates of interest. Customers can also monitor their accounts regularly, closely, allowing them to keep their accounts safe. Around the clock access to banking information provides early detection of fraudulent activity, thereby acting as a gradual against financial damage or losses. Okay. Advantage, now disadvantage of online banking. For a novice online banking customer using systems for the first time may present challenges that prevent transactions from being proceed, which is why some customers perform face-to-face transactions with teller. Online banking does not help if a customer needs access to large accounts of cash, large amounts of cash. While he may be able to take a certain amount at the ATM, most cards come with a limit. He will still have to visit the branch to get the rest. So, in our country, ATM provides 40,000 at a time, or you can withdraw 40,000 taka in a day. Although online banking security is continually improving, such accounts are still vulnerable when it comes to hacking. Consumers are advised to use their own data plans rather than public Wi-Fi network when using online banking to prevent unauthorized access. So, you have to alert when you are using public Wi-Fi. Whenever you using by the use of public Wi-Fi network, your PIN number and password number can be hacked by the hackers, because hackers are use public Wi-Fi free networks to hack your accounts. So, be careful to using public networks. Additionally, online banking is depend on a reliable internet connection. Connectivity issues from time to time may make it difficult to determine if banking transactions have been successfully proceed. Now, here has given some example of online banks. So, in this world, some banks operate exclusively online with no physical branch. You can call it the virtual bank. Virtual bank. This has a bank, you know this has a bank, but it has not physically offices all over the world. So, these are the virtual bank or online banks with no physical branches. These banks handle customer services by phone, email, online chat. Online banking is frequently performed on mobile devices now that Wi-Fi 4G networks are widely available. So, it can be also done desktop computers. So here are some examples: Ali Bank, Bank 5 Connect, Bank 5 Connect, or Bank Connect, maybe Bank Connect, Simple Bank, Discover Bank, and Synchrony Bank. So these are the examples of online banks. Stakeholders of electronic banking. Stakeholders who has the economic relationship with the bank, he is called the stakeholders of bank. Stakeholders, there is a popular term, who has the economic relation with the business firm, he is the stakeholder of that firm. In the same way, electronic bank has the several stakeholders. One is internal stakeholders, connected stakeholders, and external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders who are directly engaged with the bank deals, opening and controlling the activities of bank are internal stakeholders. Directors, managers, employees can be called as internal stakeholders of the bank. Connected stakeholders, they are stakeholders who are directly or indirectly connected with the bank. Directly or indirectly connected with the bank. They may be part of internal as well as external stakeholders. Shareholders, customers, suppliers, advisors are to be called the connected stakeholders of the bank. External stakeholders, they are the stakeholders who are somehow connected with the banking activities, not directly. Government, regulatory authority, rating agencies, media are play the role as external stakeholders of online bank. Here is the follow chart of stakeholders, that is the bank, it is internal stakeholders, directors, managers, employees, they are influenced bank directly. Then connected stakeholders, customers, shareholders, advisors, they are also influence directly the banking activities. Another is external stakeholders, government, media, regulatory authority, regulatory agency, central bank as used as a regulatory authority. So they are influenced by the online banking. So here has the explanation, the directors and managers, operators, employees, connected shareholders, investors, customers, suppliers, advisors, consultants, competitors, external stakeholders, government, community and local government, media, regulators, rating agencies, etc., etc. These are the external stakeholders. So this is all about today. Be safe, stay home, and always try to maintain a safe social distance. Welcome to you, and again welcome to my next tutorial. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.